The Whole Grain Challenge, 30 Days to a Healthier You. Title: The Whole Grain Challenge, 30 Days to a Healthier You. Introduction, 150 words. In pursuit of a healthier lifestyle, many individuals are turning to whole grains as a fundamental component of their diet. Whole grains provide essential nutrients and fibers that are integral for maintaining overall well-being. The Whole Grain Challenge, 30 Days to a Healthier You aims to introduce individuals to the multitude of benefits whole grains offer and encourages incorporating them into everyday meals. This article will explore the significance of whole grains, discuss their health advantages, and provide helpful tips, recipes, and strategies to successfully complete the 30-day challenge. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain all parts of the grain kernel, including the bran, germ, and endosperm. This ensures that the valuable nutrients, fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats present in the grain are all intact, offering an array of health benefits. Whole grains encompass a wide range of options, including but not limited to whole wheat, brown rice, oats, quinoa, barley, and millet. Section 2, Health Benefits of Whole Grains, 400 words. The consumption of whole grains has been associated with numerous health advantages. Firstly, the high fiber content in whole grains aids digestion, regulates blood sugar levels, and promotes a feeling of satiety, thus supporting healthy weight management. Secondly, the complex carbohydrates present in whole grains release energy gradually, providing a balanced and sustained source of fuel for the body throughout the day. Moreover, research suggests that whole grains may reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancers. They are also known to have a positive impact on cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Section 3, Transitioning to a Whole Grain Diet, 300 words. Transitioning to a whole grain-based diet can be a gradual process. Start by replacing refined grains with their whole grain counterparts in meals such as sandwiches, pasta, and rice dishes. Experiment with different types of whole grains to find flavors and textures that suit your preferences. Incorporate whole grain options into your breakfast routine, such as oatmeal or whole grain cereals. Make a conscious effort to read food labels to ensure that the products you purchase are truly whole grain. It is important to note that while whole grains are beneficial, portion control is key to maintaining a balanced diet. Section 4, Whole Grain Challenge Strategies, 400 words. Taking up the Whole Grain Challenge for 30 days requires dedication and planning. To successfully complete the challenge, consider the following strategies. 1. Meal planning. Prepare a weekly meal plan that incorporates whole grains into a variety of dishes. This will save time and ensure that you stay on track throughout the challenge. 2. Snack smart. Opt for whole grain snacks such as popcorn, whole grain granola bars, or homemade whole grain muffins to satisfy midday cravings. 3. Explore recipes. Experiment with new recipes that feature whole grains as the star ingredient. From whole grain salads to hearty grain bowls, there are countless options to explore that will keep your taste buds intrigued. 4. Get creative. Incorporate whole grains into unexpected dishes such as whole grain pancakes, whole wheat pizza crust, or quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Be creative and have fun with your meals. Section 5, Frequently Asked Questions, 300 words. 1. Are all whole grains gluten-free? No, not all whole grains are gluten-free. While many whole grains like quinoa and brown rice are gluten-free, others such as wheat, barley, and rye contain gluten. It is important to check the labels and look for certified gluten-free products if you have a gluten sensitivity or intolerance. 2. Can whole grains help with weight loss? Yes, incorporating whole grains into your diet can aid in weight loss. The high fiber content in whole grains promotes a feeling of fullness, which can help reduce overall calorie intake. Additional. Why? The slow release of energy from complex carbohydrates in whole grains can help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent unhealthy snacking. 3. How much whole grain should I consume daily? The recommended daily intake of whole grains varies depending on factors such as age, sex, and activity level. However, the dietary guidelines for Americans suggest aiming for at least half of your g. Grain intake to come from whole grains. This equates to around 3 to 5 servings, or 48 to 80 grams, of whole grains per day. 4. Can I still eat bread and pasta while on the whole grain challenge? Yes, you can still enjoy bread and pasta while on the whole grain challenge. Look for whole grain versions of these products, such as whole wheat bread or whole grain pasta. These options provide more nutrients and fiber compared to their refined counterparts. 5. Can I freeze whole grains to extend their shelf life? Yes, you can freeze whole grains to prolong their shelf life. Place cooked whole grains in airtight containers or freezer bags and label them before storing in the freezer. They can be thawed and eat it when needed, making meal prep more convenient. Section 6, Celebrating Success and Sustaining Change, 350 words. Congratulations on completing the whole grain challenge, 30 days to a healthier you. Celebrating your success is important as it reinforces your commitment to a healthier lifestyle. Now that you have incorporated whole grains into your diet and experienced the benefits firsthand, it's crucial to sustain these changes long term. Here are some tips to help you continue your journey. 1. Stick to your meal plan. Continue meal planning and ensure that whole grains remain a staple in your weekly menu. This will help you stay on track and maintain a balanced diet. 2. Explore new recipes. Keep experimenting with new recipes that incorporate whole grains to prevent boredom and maintain excitement in your meals. Seek inspiration from cookbooks, online resources, or even cooking classes to expand your repertoire. 3. Share your experience. Spread the word about the whole grain challenge and your success. Share your experience with friends, family, or on social media platforms. By doing so, you can inspire others to take up the challenge and lead a healthier lifestyle. 4. Stay informed. Stay updated on the latest research and information related to whole grains and their benefits. This will help you stay motivated and reinforce your decision to incorporate them into your diet. 5. Be mindful of portion sizes. Remember that portion control is crucial in maintaining a balanced diet. While whole grains provide numerous health benefits, consuming excessive amounts can contribute to calorie intake. Be mindful of portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. 6. Engage in physical activity. Regular physical activity is an essential component of a healthy lifestyle. Pairing a whole grain-rich diet with exercise can further enhance your overall well-being and help you maintain a healthy weight. 7. Seek support. Surround yourself with a supportive community of individuals who share your commitment to a healthier lifestyle. Join online forums, attend local healthy eating groups, or find a coach buddy who can help keep you motivated and accountable. By following these tips, you can continue to reap the benefits of whole grains and sustain the positive changes you have made during the whole grain challenge. Remember, this is a lifelong journey.